I am going to talk to you about cutting and also washing of different types of foods. For example, rice and cereals, cereals like rice and pulses should be washed with less amount of water and about two times, because if you wash them a number of times, the water soluble vitamins like vitamin B complex and C are lost during the process. And at the same time, other vegetables like for example the green leafy vegetables and other vegetables which we use in our daily life, nowadays they are using a lot of pesticides which are harmful. So the best way is to wash these vegetables with rock salt and water and then cut them into large pieces, because the smaller pieces you cut, the loss of nutrients becomes more gross. So it is better to use less amount of water and cut the vegetables into large pieces, and do not leave the cut vegetables soaked for a long period of time, because this leads to the loss of water labile nutrients.